Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just made. This right here is an origami hot dog, and this is folded from just one square sheet of paper. And it's really cool looking, and what's really cool about it is that you can close it up like this for storage. See? Just like that. And it opens back up just like that. And yeah, it's a pretty cool model. And alright, wanna learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this hot dog, I used a 6-inch square of double-sided origami paper like this, but for this tutorial I'm going to use an ordinary 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin colored side up. So this will give me a colored hot dog with a white bun. So let's begin hot dog side up and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Okay, now unfold, and now fold this edge to the crease. Okay, and now unfold, and fold this edge to the crease we just made. Okay, now unfold, and now refold on that crease, like this. And rotate and fold this edge to here. So we're making a door base now. Okay, and now turn over. And now we're going to make a series of crease marks. And this is actually the same kind of sequence of crease marks like I did in the bone videos I did here. So we're going to fold in half like this, but don't make the whole fold, just make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. Just like that, and unfold, zoom in, and fold to your crease marks, and again just make 2 crease marks on the 2 sides. Like that, unfold and do it again, fold to the crease marks and just make 2 crease marks. Alright, and then now, this time fold to the crease marks and we can fold all the way across this time. And try and keep the layers together too. Just like that. Okay, and now repeat all that on this side. So fold to these 2 crease marks and make 2 crease marks. And now fold again. And then make this fold all the way across. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this pocket right here and we're gonna squash just like this. And make sure that, let me zoom in quite a bit so you can see. Make sure that this crease right here aligns with this edge. Alright, and repeat on this side. Open the pocket and then squash. See? Just like that. Okay, and now we're going to take this and we're going to fold it so that this edge touches this edge. Like this. We're just airplane folding it. Like this. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now repeat all that on this side. And I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, and now turn over. And now let's lift this middle up like this and we're going to fold it to this crease right here. So we make a new fold in between there. Okay, and then crease that nice like this. And rotate like this. And now we're going to take 2 layers. So 1, 2. So the first one is a raw edge and the second one is a folded edge. So just lift those 2 up and then fold them out like this. And make the fold touch that point right there. That's how you know it's perfect. Okay. Do the best you can. Okay, and then now let's turn over. And now we're going to color change these 2 sides, so we're going to make them white. So just undo it like this and just fold this up and then remake those folds like that. Alright, and same on the side. Just like that. Alright, And now we're just about done. We just need to kind of make the hot dog look a little bit nicer. So to do that, let's take this point, unfold, and fold it behind, like this. See? Just like that. And do that 3 more times. So here, and these 2. Okay, and then now, it's pretty cool like this, but if you want to lock these 2 points together, all you have to do is just take this edge and fold it to this edge. Just paper airplane fold it. Like that. It looks way better when it's locked. That's why I like doing this. And we are done. So there it is, a hot dog. And yep, and it folds in half like this. And you can put it in your pocket for storage. And you can open it up and show your friends. And it's a hot dog folded from just 1 sheet of paper. And yeah, here's what the bottom looks like. And yeah, see, but no, it's not meant to be a spinner. So there it is, the origami pop-up hot dog. See, pops up like that into a hot dog when you open it. So yeah, it's like a pop-up card. So there you have it. Alright, hope you guys were able to do that, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.